Hello everybody, my name is Srividya Satish and I am a kindergarten teacher at Eurokids Higher Tangal branch. Now we are coming across a lot of terms these days around us. Isolation, quarantine, pandemic, infection, this, that, and all these terms are so negative. And of course all these things are very new to us. And when something is so negative and so new, it is bound to create anxiety and stress in our minds. Now, when I say that you and I are sailing in the same boat, trust me, we are. Today, I have not come to speak to you as a teacher. I have come to speak to you as a friend and as a fellow mother. Now, speaking about stress and anxiety, these stress and anxieties are basically turning everything negative around us. Now, as an adult, we have an understanding of the environment around us. So we have developed certain ways to cope up with this stress. For example, we indulge into hobbies. We read, we write, we do painting, drawing, cooking, and above all, we have the household chores. Now, when everything is over, nothing else left to do for us, what do? We sit quietly, we crib and we mumble. But have you ever thought about these young children who are affected the worst? Their brains are not as developed as us. Their thinking system is not developed as us. They are emotionally not as matured as us so that they could, express their discomfort and confusion in words. So what do? What they are best at? Crying or behaving in a cranky way. So whenever they are coming up to us in that mood, very cranky, what do? Oh, come on, just go from here. You're always throwing some tantrums. Is that right, my dear friends, or is that fair? Well, that may not be right or fair at that time, but that is the only option left with us because we are also preoccupied with so much. Now, how to deal with this? My dear friends, Eurokids Ayyappan Thangal has come up with tips of the day. These tips will be to basically keep your children away from stress and anxiety and how to involve them in this process of, say, self-healing, or how to keep them busy during this disturbing period of lockdown. Now, here is my tip. Now, if you listen, you will know that this is not anything new. Believe me, friends, what I'm going to tell you is something which you already know. My tip is that you have to be with your children. By being, I mean you have to take part in their playtime. See, when you are taking part in their playtime, in their little make-believe things or in their cute conversations, you will realize that there could be nothing better as a stress buster. Being in this profession, I can vouch for it. Children are the best stress relievers in the entire world. Now, by doing this, you are not only taking your stress off, but also you are giving an emotional reassurance to your children that you are with them. And trust me, that's very important. Apart from giving them an emotional reassurance, you are also feeling them more secure. You are making them feel that you are always there with them. Even though not physically, but whenever you are around, the child will feel secure and they'll feel happy. Always remember one thing, my dear friends. A happy you can only create a happy child. And as a mother of a 7-year-old, I can vouch for it. Now that was the tip from our side today. See you soon with the next tip. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.